everybody, welcome to a new video. So today I am playing some Watch Dogs 2. Back with another freaking video! Yes. Okay, well, this is what the fuck am I even saying? Let's freaking go! Oh my god. What the heck? Whoa, whoa! Whoa! For armed robbery! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! I'll pick that. Put on some of that. Motherfucking that. Hey, that's my car you're honking to! Frickin' retard. Whoa, wait! Hey! You idiot! Why? Why do you have to do this, huh? Oh, frick! Somebody's calling the cops! 911. Okay, where should I go? Sorry! Oh, frick! Hello? Hi! Oh, frick! Oh my god! That didn't happen. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. Hey, hi. Me looking at you, monkey. You frickin' monkey. Ugh. You can't do this! You can't bully me! Stop laughing at me! Officers! This is a wanted sex offender! I just ran over a prostitute. Oh, yeah. Oh, frick! You're gonna regret that, boy! What the frick? Hey you retard! Why'd you have to run me over like that?
Fuck you.
Yeah, how you like that? Ow, what the frick, man? Oh, frick, I'm getting shot. Why'd you shoot me? Ooh, look at that. Ah, frick, I was about to say look at doggy. Officers!
Sit and spin. You're fucking kidding me. What the fuck?
They're arresting him!
You're under arrest.
Justice served! Okay, I want this car to go in flames. Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh no! Get out of the bus! People, get out! People, back! Get! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy frick! Oh my god! What is happening? Jesus!
Fuck you.
Yeah. Lick that peanut, a-hole.
Whoa.
See this? Where you going, huh? Where you going, you frickin' retard? Oh my god! I had to! I'm sorry! Oh frick! Oh my god! He's trying to shoot at me! No! Don't kill me! Oh Jesus, oh frick. I gotta get out of here. Okay. Whew. I think we're losing them. I don't see them on the map. Hey, where you going, huh? Where you going? Yeah. Hello?
Fuck you once and fuck you twice.
Bother somebody else.
Nah, I'm good.
I would love to have the
Fuck
pleasure
y'all.
of sticking this so far up your ass. Wait,
What do you think you're doing, huh? Ah! What am I doing with my life? Well, I think that will be the end for the video. Yeah, like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay? You freaking hear me? I will murder you, okay? I'll come to your house and freaking murder you, okay? Well, anyways, have a good day.